Learn English with Om Nom.
Learn colors with Om Nom. What color is the lemon? What color is the lemon? Yellow, yellow. The lemon is yellow like the star, like the sun, like the sunflower. This is so much fun. What color is the strawberry? What color is the strawberry? Red, red. The strawberry is red like an apple, like a car. You're doing great, like a superstar. What color is the blueberry? What color is the blueberry? Blue, blue. The blueberry is blue like a ball, like a cloud. This is fun, so sing out loud. What color is the lollipop? What color is the lollipop? Pink, pink. The lollipop is pink like a candy, like an ice cream. This is wonderful, just like a dream. What color is the broccoli? What color is the broccoli? Green, green. The broccoli is green like a leaf. And the trees, like spinach, cucumber, lettuce and peas. And Om Nom! I wonder what Om Nom is up to today. Wow! An arcade machine! Let's begin! Learn alphabets with Om Nom! Woohoo! Om Nom! A B C D E. Keep going. Press the red button to start the game. Next level. F G H I J K L M N O. Keep going. P Q R S T. Press the red button to resume. U V W X Y Z. Game over. Good job, Om Nom. Bye.
Om Nom, where have you been? I've been looking everywhere for you. Om Nom, wake up. Wake up, Om Nom. Wait, Om Nom, I've been wanting to tell you something. Whoa, what is this place? A TV set. A book on a cabinet. Picture frames. Which part of the house is this? Sofa set. And a carpet. Where do you find all these things? I know, in a living room. Wait, Om Nom. I have to tell you something. Oh, where are you now? Wait, careful. Oh, thank God you're okay. A dressing table with a mirror, a side table with flowers, a bed. Seems like you find all these things in a bedroom. That's right, a bedroom. Wow. Om Nom, I still have something to tell you. Oh, now which part of the house is this? Careful, Om Nom, it's hot. Find some water. That's better. Now, there's a cooker, an extractor fan, a fridge, a kettle, a clock. Where do you find all these things? I know, the kitchen! Oh, there you are, Om Nom, eating an ice cream. I wanted to tell you how much I love you. Yee-haw! Well, Well, howdy there, partners. It's the candy bean tree. Hello, Om Nom. How are you today? Yes, you are in the desert. What's that? It's a candy bean machine. Shall we get one? Look, a gold coin. Now remember, Om Nom, you had a candy yesterday, so give this one to Om Nelle. Here it comes. Yes, a candy. Only the one, though, Om Nom. Now remember, it's Om Nelle's turn. Give it to her. It's Om Nelle's gold coin, so she should keep the candy. Oh dear. Om Nom, don't be mean. Let her keep it. Come on, Om Nom, give it to her. Oh dear. Quick, run! There it is. It is growing something. What's that? Yes! It could be a candy bean tree. Good idea, Om Nom. Putting water on things makes them grow. Put some more. Excellent work, Om Nom. Watch out! Oh dear. Never mind. Look, Om Nom, it's a gigantic candy bean tree. Yes, you're going to have to climb it. Go on, you can do this for your best friend, can't you? Good job, jump, 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 jump from one leaf to the next leaf and reach. No, Om Nom, give it to Om Nelle. Remember, it was her coin. Give it to her. Good boy, Om Nom. You are a very good friend. So that's what it means to be kind.
Subscribe! Click to watch more!